Thanks for your interest in the GPT Magnet Challenge training. You've had a number of great questions, and I want to try to answer some of them here. Number one, do I need a paid Chatgpt account in order to do this? Yes, in order to create a custom GPT that you can share with others as a lead magnet, you will need a paid account from Chatgpt. That costs about $20 a month, and that is required in order to create the GPTs that you're going to share. Some of you have asked, what is a lead magnet and how does that work? Well, a lead magnet is simply something that you provide for free in exchange for an email address from your audience. It's a great way to build your email list. It's a great way to go ahead and add value and expand your audience. And what we're going to show you in this training, in the GPT Magnet training, is we're going to show you how to create a custom GPT that adds value to your audience that you can give away for free. All they need to do is give you the email address so you can build your email list. Is the training going to be available live, or can I get replays too? That's a great question. And with all of my challenge trainings, I always include replays. Sometimes it's convenient to make it, sometimes it's not. And if you can't make it live, that's okay. We publish the replays within a few hours of the conclusion of each of our live trainings. These trainings there are 3 trainings over a course of 3 days, and each training runs about 90 minutes. Some training on my part and some Q&A in the process. What can I expect at the end of the GPT Magnet training? Well, that's a great question. We're going to walk through not only how to create a GPT, not only how to make it a lead magnet, not only how to go ahead and promote that and have it delivered automatically using marketing automation tools. We're also going to do a GPT with you so that at the end of the training, end of the 3 days, you should have a working, ready to go GPT lead magnet that you can share with your audience to start building your list, to expand on your list, and to bring more people into your audience. Should I buy now or should I wait for the replay because I'm not going to be able to catch the live over the holidays? That's a great question. Well, we try to make it easy for you. Our challenge process, which we're on twice a month through challenge trainings, the initial price is always the lowest. So this challenge, the GPT Magnet Challenge, is $97, and that's the lowest we'll ever offer that at. When the challenge is over, the replay will be available, and that's going to be $147. Here's the bonus though, if you buy up front for $97, you get the replays. So there's no way to lose if you buy up front. Why do we do it that way? Well, we want to encourage you to get involved soon, and we found out from other members who have taken other challenges that sometimes they can participate in the community forums and everything else that's included and use those resources early on, right away, even if they aren't able to attend every live session. And just so you know, when you sign up for the live sessions, the replays are made available within a couple of hours of the end of each of those sessions. So you'll have them available right away. Some of you have asked, will we be getting a GPT that creates lead magnets, or will we be doing something different? It's a great question, and I want to clarify. The GPT Magnet Challenge is about creating and showing you how to ideate, how to design, and how to create custom GPTs that you then provide for free to your audience in exchange for their email address. So we will be sharing some of the tools we use. We'll be walking through our entire process of how to do this and giving you a step-by-step process so that you will be able to not only create your first GPT lead magnet in the challenge, you'll actually be able to create as many as you want afterwards following our standard process. It's super simple, and anyone can do it. Many of you have asked and say, Jonathan, this sounds pretty technical, this GPT Magnet Challenge. Do I need to be an expert at Chatgpt? No, you don't. In fact, you can be a brand new user of GPTs or of Chatgpt, and we're going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do that. We're going to give you a framework that you can follow that'll help you come up with the ideas for a GPT for your audience. We'll help you create it, and we're even going to show you, even though it's not all AI related, how you can go ahead and promote that and deliver that without having to do everything on your own. In other words, we're going to talk about some marketing automation. So whether you're a brand new beginner or an experienced user, this challenge will fit for you. If you've got other questions, I'd love to hear those as well. Please let me know down in the comments, and I'll be happy to provide answers for those as well. I look forward to seeing you and hope that you can join us live Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. We're going to be skipping New Year's Day, so December 30, 31, and January 2 at 2 p.m. And again, remember, if for any reason you can't attend live, that's okay. The replays are going to be available right afterwards. Make it a great day, everybody.